Hello everyone, WaterFanatic WX here. Welcome back to another video. This video is is for everyone who wants to make their EAS scenarios on Powerdirector. So, yeah. So, to make EAS scenarios on Powerdirector, you'll need Powerdirector, the app itself, and narrator's voice. Also, PSA, if you want to make your voices realistic, you should use WavePad, as there will be a separate video to that. Alright, let's hop on to Powerdirector. Should take some time to load. Alright. So, let's go up here. Don't mind the watermark, it's there for a reason. Alright. How do we start? Oh yeah. You want to make your own EAS screen, on Powerdirector. It could be anything, really. Like optional, something. Here's me. If you want to make a easy plus black screen, you do this. Depending on where it's decoded, you might want to change it to like, yeah, civil authorities, National Weather Service, or primary entry point system. I'm just using a civil emergency message, for example. There we go. So you want to go to edit text. Just put this in the middle. Right. Scroll down. If you have the VCR EAS font download on Powerdirector, you could use that. If you don't, download it from this or put it on Powerdirector. There we go. And what should we do? You should have like an EAS tone file like this one. Let me just extend this real quick. So yeah, that's what it will look like. Right. It should be the #1 opportunity to put a voice file in there. Here, I'll show you an example. Yep. Those voice files over here. Big one. Those. I kind of used one from Rage Quit. The scenario that I'm working on. Right. Here's what it would sound.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Robertson, PN, beginning at 1:35 a.m. and ending until 2.
So yeah, that's what it will sound like. Also, it is very important that in the end of the message, you should have an EAN tone. Hold up, let me just put this up here. Let me trim this. Okay, so the starting tones should be your best opportunity to add that. The message,
Issued a civil emergency message.
that's priority #2. And the end tones. That's priority number 3. Making an EAS alert will take quite a lot of effort into it, but you will get used to it somehow. Also, while working on a scenario, I just want to give you some tips. First, add like a setting. It could be any location around the world at a certain time stamp. Like you want it to say like 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Date. It could be any date, really. Like say like February 21st, 2022 or March 28th, 2031. Also, station. That is very optional. You could do that actually. Station could be anything. Like for example, KIG 79, KJY 85, WNG 538. Those are weather radio stations. Other music stations like WJXA, KZRG, yeah, all that stuff. That's my advice on how to make your EAS scenarios on Powerdirector. So, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is me, WaterFanatic Productions, or WaterFanatic WX, signing off. Goodbye.